Today, we're exploring a fascinating and little-known trend that is quietly reshaping the world of cryptocurrency investing. While most headlines focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other popular coins, a growing number of millionaires and ultra-wealthy investors are turning their attention to crypto assets that fly under the radar. These are the digital assets that they are quietly accumulating, often in strategic ways that avoid drawing attention while maximizing long-term gains. Why is this happening? For high net worth individuals, investing in crypto is not just about speculation. It's about preserving wealth, diversifying portfolios, gaining early access to innovative projects, and participating in the next wave of financial technology. They are looking for opportunities that have significant upside potential but remain unnoticed by the general public. In this video, we will break down the types of crypto assets being quietly bought, the strategies behind millionaire investments, the risks involved, and what this could mean for the broader market. So sit back, grab a notebook if you want, and let's dive into the world of hidden crypto opportunities that millionaires are quietly buying today. 1. Why millionaires are turning to crypto. Wealthy individuals are increasingly exploring crypto as a way to diversify their financial holdings and protect against the volatility of traditional markets. Unlike stocks, bonds, or real estate, cryptocurrency offers a unique combination of liquidity, high growth potential, and access to cutting-edge technological projects. For millionaires, this is more than just a speculative gamble. It is a calculated move to preserve and grow wealth in the digital age. Another key reason is financial autonomy. Unlike traditional banking or investment vehicles, cryptocurrencies allow investors to control their assets directly, without intermediaries or institutional constraints. This independence is particularly attractive to high net worth individuals who want to have full control over the allocation of their capital. Furthermore, crypto is increasingly viewed as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. With global economic uncertainty, many millionaires see digital assets as a safer alternative to traditional fiat currencies that are subject to government policy changes and inflationary pressures. 2. Types of crypto assets being accumulated. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain the backbone of most crypto portfolios, millionaires are increasingly diversifying into lesser-known assets. Decentralized finance, DeFi, tokens are a major category. These tokens allow investors to participate in lending, borrowing, staking, and yield farming without relying on traditional financial institutions. By leveraging DeFi platforms, investors can earn interest, optimize liquidity, and maximize returns in ways that conventional banking cannot match. Governance tokens are another focus. These assets provide holders with a voice in the development and direction of blockchain projects. By holding governance tokens, investors can influence protocol updates, voting mechanisms, and major decisions that impact the project's long-term trajectory. This form of participation ensures that their investments are not passive, but actively shape the platforms they support. 3. The role of strategic accumulation. One of the defining features of millionaire crypto strategies is the methodical and discreet accumulation of assets. Unlike retail investors who may buy impulsively, wealthy investors often acquire significant holdings over time. This approach prevents sudden price spikes that could occur if their purchases were public knowledge. Strategic accumulation also allows early investors to access exclusive token sales or pre-launch opportunities, positioning them to benefit from future growth before the assets gain mainstream attention. Many of these transactions are carefully timed and executed across multiple platforms and wallets to avoid detection and market disruption. This level of planning and sophistication highlights the importance of patience and strategy in successful crypto investing. 4. Why these assets are under the radar. Many of the crypto assets being accumulated by millionaires remain relatively unknown to the public. These may include niche blockchain projects, experimental DeFi protocols, or tokens associated with emerging technologies like AI or decentralized marketplaces. Their under-the-radar status allows early investors to acquire significant positions before broader market attention drives up prices. This secrecy also reduces competition. While the average investor may be focused on mainstream coins or trending projects, high net worth individuals can identify opportunities that are undervalued and positioned for exponential growth. In many many cases, these assets have strong fundamentals, innovative technology, and a growing user base, yet remain overlooked due to limited marketing or media coverage. 5. The influence of early adopters. Millionaires often act as early adopters, spotting trends, technologies, and projects before they gain mainstream attention. Their activity can serve as a leading indicator for market trends and emerging opportunities. By observing which assets high-net-worth individuals are quietly buying, other investors can gain valuable insights into sectors likely to experience growth in the near future. Early adopters also have access to information and opportunities that retail investors do not. Private token sales, exclusive research, and institutional-grade analytics provide them with an edge in identifying high-potential assets. Their participation can lend credibility to a project, attract additional investment, and accelerate adoption, ultimately shaping the trajectory of these crypto assets. 6. Economic and market implications. The quiet accumulation of crypto assets by millionaires has broader economic and market implications. Large-scale purchases reduce available supply in circulation, which can create scarcity and potentially increase value. This activity can also influence market sentiment, as other investors notice growing interest in specific projects and begin to follow suit. Moreover, the concentration of wealth in certain crypto assets highlights where innovation is happening and which sectors are poised for future growth. DeFi, AI-driven tokens, and blockchain infrastructure projects often attract the attention of sophisticated investors, signaling to the wider market that these areas may define the next wave of digital financial innovation. 7. Risks associated with following millionaire moves. While observing millionaire strategies can be informative, it's important to recognize the risks. Market volatility remains a central challenge, and even assets favored by wealthy investors can experience sharp fluctuations. Regulatory changes, technological failures, or unforeseen events can dramatically affect the value of any crypto asset. Additionally, millionaires often have resources, knowledge, and risk tolerance that retail investors do not. They may invest in private sales, hold assets for years, or use complex hedging strategies that are not easily replicable. Blindly copying their moves without understanding the underlying fundamentals can lead to significant losses. 8. How to approach these assets. For those interested in exploring the crypto assets that millionaires are quietly buying, the first step is education. Understanding the technology, market potential, and use cases of each asset is essential. Investors should focus on projects with strong fundamentals, active development teams, and real-world applications. Starting with smaller, measured investments allows for learning and experience without exposing oneself to excessive risk. Participating in decentralized finance platforms, testing governance tokens, or experimenting with AI-integrated assets can provide practical insights into how these systems operate. Staying informed about trends, early-stage projects, and the behavior of early adopters will help investors identify opportunities strategically. 9. The future of millionaire crypto strategies. Looking forward, the quiet accumulation of high-potential crypto assets by wealthy investors is likely to continue and expand. As blockchain technology matures and new applications emerge, these assets will continue to diversify and grow in value. Early insights from sophisticated investors will remain an important signal for where innovation, adoption, and long-term potential converge. The strategies employed by millionaires demonstrate the importance of patience, research, and timing. By observing and learning from these approaches, everyday investors can better navigate the complex and rapidly evolving crypto market. The underlying principle is clear. Informed, strategic investment in high-potential assets often yields the greatest rewards over time. And that concludes our deep dive into the crypto assets that millionaires are quietly buying. We've explored why wealthy investors are turning to these assets, the types of tokens they are accumulating, the strategies behind their moves, market implications, risks, and how you can approach these opportunities thoughtfully. The world of crypto is evolving at lightning speed, and understanding the behavior of sophisticated investors can provide a strategic edge. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest crypto insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know which hidden crypto asset you believe has the most potential to grow in the coming years.